Well, hello, and welcome to a new edition of Alex's Wardrobe. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you don't know me, I am Alex Keeper, a mid-sized, middle-aged model, also full-time dominatrix, but that's not what we're here for today. Today we are here for some middle-aged, gorgeous fashion. Now, what I actually wanted to bring you today was some new lingerie sets that I got. So here it is, the very first outfit. Now, confessions, I did have to take these in. There's literally like a patch on the side that I had to take in, but I don't think that's a problem. Isn't this the most fantastic, cutesy, cozy, like, you know what I'm talking about, ladies, those weeks where your tummy's hurting, your back's hurting, you're not interested in anything. This is just gorgeous. Ready for the back? So big. Look at these pants. The pants don't get any bigger. I mean, I love them. I put them on with tights because, as we said, YouTube can be a little bit funny about these things. So I thought I ought to at least put some tights on. But I don't know why, because this is a fully covered up outfit. There's nothing going on here. Let's be real. And this is amazing. So it actually does up at the front. How nice is that? You could even wear this if you were breastfeeding. It's just stunning. I'm in love with it. What I'm going to do is pop the other bralette on. I'll just leave the pants on so it won't match. But we'll just take a look at it, shall we? So here is the second bralette. Honestly, these are a dream. The fabric that they're made of is so good, super stretchy, which means there's no like boob bit falling out the sides. They've got a really nice thick back on them. Can you see that? I've got my hair in the way, sorry. Can you see that? A lovely thick back. These adjustable straps are amazing. I did need to adjust them up a little bit. And then this just sits so nicely, and it has like an additional rib line at the bottom. It's not tight or anything, but it just keeps that piece there in place. I mean, so stunning. Imagine this with my dungarees. Oh my God, I've got like a lovely pale green pair. I cannot wait to try it. I might even try it on in a minute. Oh my God, it's too good. By the magic of YouTube, I just had to do it. I could not show you how cute this looks. So this is like the dungaree set I was telling you about. Lovely loose legs. I'm going to do a whole thing on all my dungaree sets because I wear tons of dungarees. But how amazing does this little crop top just poking out the side? Look at that. No side boob, just sits beautifully. Lovely, lovely detail. Lovely rose pattern. Oh, I'm so in love with this. It's really gorgeous. Now, back to the try on. I've got one more to try on for you, the black one. So I am going to bring in these. Just going to bring in some big girl black pants to go with it. So let's do it again. I'll grab some black tights as well, just to, keep it all YouTube appropriate. And so here I am again with the second lovely little bralette. Now, I'm not sure if something's different on this one because it's very slightly bigger. It's okay, but it just doesn't fit quite as nicely as the last one. Maybe I ordered one size up, maybe that's all that was left. These were in the sale. However, I'm really not mad at it. If I take a look for you, let me show you. I popped it on with some big black pants that had a pink bow. So I figured that would be quite cute together. And these are some lovely larger pants. They come all the way round. I'm going to do a review for you on some really nice big pants. These will probably be in that collection. I have a really nice lot that just came in, so I'll try and do a review for you on those. I presume YouTube is going to be okay. Maybe I'll have to put leggings on. I'm not sure. Maybe tights is okay. We will find out when I try to put this video out. But ladies, absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend these. They have a double layer in them, so there's like an elastic layer inside. I'd put them at like a sports bra, but they don't have the support of a sports bra. They just look really super pretty. And I'm not going to lie, not mad at all. I just think these are going to look amazing. Again, under I've got a lovely pair of black dungarees. How good would the roses look? Let me bring those in for you. How good would these roses look? They're going to look so pretty, right? All right, let's take you to the outro and you can let me know. Did you like all of these? Was there one that you particularly enjoyed? And did that very mummy set at the beginning surprisingly blow your mind? Or would you just chuck it straight in the bin? So I've just thrown my shirt back on for the outro. Well, what did you think today? Any of those take your fancy? You know, I know I say it all the time. It's all about living your best life and being the sexiest you can. But there are days when being sexy is hard work. And so it's actually really lovely to just put on something that feels really cozy, really soft. And I honestly cannot recommend these enough. I mean, these, look, I can show you now the double side. There's a layer inside and then you've got that. So you're double coated. There's not going to be any see-through. It just sat so beautifully. I'd actually love to wear this underneath this pink shirt, contrasting the roses with this. Oh my God, I've got so many ideas now. I absolutely love this. I was wearing this skirt when we first came in. Now this is actually a skirt and it is incredibly pretty, but big butt coming, ladies. This crepe kind of fabric, when it is sheared like this, when it's got the shearling running through it, that clung to every lump and bump, and not in a good way. I love it when things accentuate your best bits, but when they're literally dipping under and hugging them, it's not good. So I think I'm actually gonna repurpose this skirt into a gorgeous boob tube, because I actually think it'll make an amazing boob tube, maybe with a little pair of shorts or something. So you might see that coming. You know how I do love to make sure that we use our wardrobe to its absolute fullest. Well, thank you so much for coming in today. I've loved having you here. If you took something away from this channel today, please do come and join me, subscribe, like, and definitely comment. Some of you are definitely going to comment some real haters out there, I should imagine, especially some of those big pants. But you know what? There is a place in the world for big pants, small pants, big pants, small pants, all sorts of pants. Big pants, small pants, all sorts of pants. That's what I'm saying. That's my generation. Thank you so much, my darlings. Make sure, if you do enjoy my content, but you are looking for something a little bit spicier, I do, of course, have subscription pages as well.